Yo, what up? This is Amit. It's a big shout out to #TV. You don't wanna mess with the soldier.
What's up, guys? It's your boy #BBX. I'm just getting all packed up. It's super early in the morning. I haven't even slept yet. I'm getting ready to go on a work trip. We have to go up to Manitoulin Island, move somebody. So that's going to be super interesting. I thought I'd bring you guys with me. So this is just the start. I thought I'd throw in the camera, say what's up to you guys. What's up to my Hatch Patch Kids? Good morning, Hatch Patch Kids. It's your boy #BBX, and we're in the truck with Jeff, aka Wayne, or Garth, whoever's feeling that day. Let's get it, baby. Sorry, guys, I didn't get any footage of us getting the truck because there was a lot of hectic with us getting the truck. We were supposed to have a different one, but it lucked out. We got this bad boy, and she's all like nice and new and stuff, so we got lots of storage space, all that good stuff. We're hitting the road, guys. More to come. Let's go, bro. We're at our first stop. Gonna get some breakfast. Let's go!
I'm just sitting here. I got time.
Ooh, look at that. Fire yellow. Woo!
From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors.
We got that breakfast.
Forever free.
What's up, guys? I just woke up from my nap. Got my nice little neck pillow here, and look who I see here beside me. Google View, guys. It's one of the Google View cars. Super cool. Anyways, guys, more soon. We're in Pearson. Lots of rocks. Fuck you.
Distance you can tell. To be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors.
What's up, guys? We just stopped for a break here in the middle of nowhere. Now we're gonna make some sandwiches. We got the big whip. Get it, baby. Sandwich time. Sandwich time, baby. Let's get it. find a bush to go to the bathroom. Go to the washroom. Alright guys, check out this. Absolutely beautiful out here, guys. I missed so many shots because I didn't have the camera out. But absolutely beautiful. Let's get it, baby. What do you think, Wayne? Already on, Wayne. Let's get it, baby. Fits the mover. We'll link it in the description below. It'll be in the description below, guys. If you need a mover, you know where it is. Alright guys, we are pulling up. We are on the island now, Manitoulin Island. We are going to be pulling up to our customer's house soon. Go his place to see where we're. There's so many bugs on the window. This one got it. So good. It's like his guts are still there. What's going on, Hatch Patch Kids? It's your boy, #BBX. We're all done with the move. Sorry I couldn't turn the camera on to show you guys while we were doing it, but we were super busy. Customers were still here. They're gone now. Look at this crazy house. Garage there behind the truck. Another garage there. Little shed here. Got a little sitting room down there. Another little one, and then beside that there's another little house. Hella lit, guys. Hella lit. Hella lit. We're about to take off. Go find somewhere to sleep. But before we do that, I would just whip around, show you guys the backyard. For real though, guys, look at this view. Crazy, right? Other than that, we're about to hit the road, guys. It's your boy, #BBX. Much love. I'll talk to you guys soon. Let's go. Yeah. Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy, #BBX. Sorry I didn't really get any footage of the drive back. We're in Perry Sound at the moment, and we're bunkering down for the night. I didn't really take any footage because it was just like super dark. I hope you guys can see me. It's like really dark. I'm actually in the back of the moving truck. There's like furniture all around me, and I've made a little bed right here on two of the couches. So I'm going to try to get some sleep, and yeah, I don't know if it's going to work, but it's your boy, #BBX, in the back of the U-Haul truck. Let's go. Yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye. What's up, guys? It's your boy hashtag BBX. We're up in Collinwood. What's up, everybody? Let's go. Smokes. Yet another beautiful cinematic background. Let's go. Guys, I'm just getting some lunch, so let's go check that out. So we got here and we're waiting for a key still. And we're on a key wait, when you hear key wait, that means that the customer is working with their lawyer to try to get the key resolved. So they've handed over the money and the lawyers are just doing all the legal technicality stuff, and it's a matter of time. So we're just sitting here chilling, killing. Got my lunch. Let's go. Sandwiches, kettle cooked, salt and vinegar. Sandwiches, corned beef. Let's go. I got some salad here, a little direct, some vegetables, maybe a granola bar for dessert. Let's get it. Alright guys, I just wanted to give you a little update. I didn't do much of the vlogging on the drive back down here because, I mean, you guys already seen it on the way up, so. But, yeah, if anything else cool happens, I'll definitely grab the camera. Until then, take care, sir.